Hello bridge players, welcome once again to the quest for the 100% tournament, where we play the weekly free instant tournament, hoping to get 100% in each and every hand, of course, after knowing what's going on and what we need to do. So we start with hand number 1, where we hold a good support hand for spades, but in order to get to 100%, we're going to need to do better. As you know, when we play in no trump, we get more points than by playing in a suit. And that is the case. By beating 2 diamonds, we managed to get a club lead. Here we have 5 top tricks thanks to the lead, and we're going to develop some more in spades and hearts. We start with the hearts, and this is a sort of a mistake by the rabbit. And that's it. This discard will allow us to make the 5 of hearts for 12 tricks. And 12 tricks is gonna be good enough for 100%. This second hand we need to get to a slam. And that's why we open with 2 no trump, which wouldn't be a normal opening beat. We need to open 1 spade, but here partner will show us a good hand with spades, good hand for a slam, and we get there. Since we open 1 no trump, the robot leads ace king of diamonds. And we get the good diamond queen for a discard. We return to hand, and we draw the last trump. And in this way we get to 12 tricks and 100%. Hand number 3, we need to open 1 club and then beat 1 spade. In this way they're going to compete in the beating. And we're going to start doubling. Fortunately, our partner leaves the double in, and we lead the king of his suit. Now we give partner a ruff. But the rest of the tricks are there, so let's give it to them for the sake of brevity. And we get to 100%. Another hand where we're going to do something weird, but not on our first round. Here we show spades, and I would think it's natural to support clubs. However, they are vulnerable, so I don't think they can make 9 tricks, so we're gonna double. If we have a game, this is not a good idea unless we can set them 3 tricks. which is not quite normal. We need to win the king. The jack, the ace, and then we give partner a ruff. Which he takes hand. He continues diamonds. But that was all. We get 200, which is good enough for 100%. This next hand, we are going to beat one diamond, and then one no trump. The play here is quite tricky, so we're gonna follow IceAJ line, which is sent to me. We're going to win in our hand and play a diamond to the 9. I think this is standard here. I'm not sure if you can make the same play in 3 no trump, but here you can and play the robot to give you 9 tricks and 100%. Hand number 6, we're gonna start with 1 spade in order for partner to beat 1 no trump so that we can pass. Robots are gonna get a little confused, let's say. We're going to play hearts. And look at this. Now we set up the whole heart suit. And now we need another more trick to get to 150, which is good enough for 100%. Next to last hand, we open 1 diamond and then bid 6 no trump. We're going to cash our diamonds, and East is going to feel the heat, let's say. That was a terrible, terrible discard by East. For now, we enter dummy, and we unplay him. And he's got to play clubs for the finesse. And 12 tricks are good enough for 100%. Hand number 8, we get again some help from IceAJ from India. He recommended one diamond opening bid, which we're going to use to get to 4 hearts and avoid their playing a diamond. Of course, they lead a club, which is the suit they bid in the auction. Then we give up a trick. They cash their club king, and we can now ruff and finish the trumps. We unblock the spades and give West his diamond ace, and he'll give us spades, and making it's good enough for 100%. Another successful week for the 100% quest. Thanks again to IceAJ for his advice and a couple of hands. And last week, nobody sent us the answer to hand at number 6, but fortunately, this week we could make it without a problem. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to share, to like, and to subscribe to the channel. See you next week. Bye.